friends. Shadows whisper my despair. Love's a game, it's never fair. Hearts collide in fragile time. Feelings fade, what's yours and mine. Broken dreams make silent screams. Only pain where once were gleams. I don't wanna hurt it anymore. Lock the past and close the door. Tears can drown what I ignore. Let's find what we're living for. Every lie leaves scars behind. Doubts that chain around my mind. Trust was something we would lend. No more wounds for me, my friend. Candles burn as nights descend, lighting up the bitter end. Minutes tick, they never pause, left with empty little flaws. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Lock the past and close the door. Tears can't drown what I ignore. Let's find what we're living for. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Lock the past and close the door. Tears can't drown what I ignore. Let's find what we're living for. Walking through the city lights, hustle echoes in the night. Dancing shadows come alive, chasing dreams we will survive. Broken hearts and empty bars, we get high above the scars. Holding tight to worn out hope, we won't slip on the tightrope. Heartbeats beating out of sync, street dreams written in ink. Life's a puzzle missing parts, yet we paint the world with hearts. Laughter mixed with silent cries, stars reflected